Welcome! In this video, we are going to explore how mobile teaching can enhance your classroom practices, making instruction more dynamic, interactive, and student-centered. Mobile teaching empowers educators to move freely around the classroom, engaging students in groups or individually, and to deliver content in real time using flexible tools. Let's take a look at the tools that OPS teachers have access to. In every classroom, you should have a Samsung TV on a cart or a projector hanging from the ceiling. Each device will also have an Apple TV box attached. Every teacher also has an iPad with an optional stylus like an Apple Pencil or the Logitech crayon that I am using. Although not required, the stylus does give additional touch options and adds a lot of power. This combination of equipment will be your main teaching tools to write, to draw, to present, and to interact with your students. Let's get started with the simple step of screen mirroring my device. By simply swiping down from the top right corner, you can open the control center on your iPad. Then you tap the screen mirror button, find your Apple TV in the list, type in the security code, and now everything you see on my iPad is seen from anywhere in the room from this large screen. This enables me to move around the room, enhancing behavioral supports by proximity. I can check on students in real time to see their progress, and I can get students in the back of the room just as engaged as those in the front row without pausing my instruction. The camera app allows me to highlight student work by simply hovering the iPad over a worksheet or a notebook page. Having the students explain their work builds confidence and classroom connection. Or I can seamlessly show a textbook page and give directions. The Classroom app allows me to highlight students' digital work while still giving me the opportunity to monitor and guide that work. I can share a student's screen without ever having to disconnect my iPad and connect theirs by simply using AirPlaying from my iPad through the Classroom app. I can also direct learning by automatically launching apps on every device. Or I can bring the attention back to me by sending everyone back to the home screen. I can also replace the old document camera with the devices already in my hand. By using the Notability app on my iPad, I can open a workbook page and it shows up on the big screen. Now I can use my tools to write and to highlight on the screen. This also models for the students what we want to see from them. What if I forgot to plan ahead and digitize a document? No problem. Using the camera app or the Notability app, I can simply scan a document instantly, open it in Notability, and now I can use my enhanced annotation tools to again write, draw, and highlight on this work page. Now I'm going to leave Notability and give you one more idea in this demonstration. I will use the YouTube app to gain additional teaching resources. When my iPad is connected to the Apple TV, I simply tap on a video and it instantly shows that video in full screen on the TV. Now the teacher's iPad sees something different. I see controls like a remote. So I can pause the video for instruction. I can scrub ahead to key moments, or I can loop segments for reinforcement. Mobile teaching is about freedom. Freedom to move, to connect, and to adapt on the fly. With the right tools, your classroom can become a flexible, tech-enhanced space where learning thrives. If you have any questions about any of the tools you've seen today, please explore the training materials file on the OPS-IMS SharePoint site.